So robe is on, bonnet is still on. You know what time it is. It is get ready with me time. So today I am going to my friend's pool party. And is this on? Yes, it's on. Whoops. Anyways, it's something, but she doesn't know what it is. So basically, it is a pool party. It's like a whole weekend thing. I wasn't able to go yesterday because of work and stuff, but yeah. Today it's the pool party, and then tomorrow it's the boat day. So can't wait for that. But yeah, so it's about an hour away from my house because we all know I live in the boonies. So yeah, so I have my whole station because I have to pack everything because I am staying there overnight. And Bessie is picking me up at 1:30, by 1:30. So it is now 11:50. So I have a good amount of time to get ready. I do have to put clusters because I removed mine. And that takes about like 5-10 minutes. I'll take you guys along the way. So yeah, have to get this done. My hair. Going with the long extensions today. Short or long? Short or long? Anyways, we're going with the long today, I think. And yeah, I'm gonna do soft makeup. Puis c'est ça. So get ready with me. So these are the stuff we're working with today. Already put in my stuff to go since, you know, I'm staying home overnight. So everything I'm gonna use, I'm gonna put it in there. Do I think it's gonna fit? We'll see. But yeah, all of this. My micro shading is slowly fading away here. You guys can't really see it, but I see it. I know how it's supposed to be more like, especially in front here. It's not defined. Look, I like it. And especially here, starting to fade away. And I'm due. Basically, I'm due. It's been 3 years. So I'm due for... So basically what I do after applying, for now, until I get my retouch, I apply the brow gel by Anastasia, the freeze one. You have to get the freeze one because if you don't, ça fait pas la même chose. It doesn't do the same thing, okay? Ça ne fait pas la même chose. So once you apply it, just a tiny little bit more here. Oops. I'm not a makeup artist, so probably pour moi. Okay. So then in the bag, I go with the eyeliner. Like seriously, one of my eyeliners that I barely use. I usually use it for lip liner because we all know how expensive it is. And I just go in front and then fill that up a little bit, just a tiny little bit, and then shape the top. Ugh, the gel. And that's it. And that's all I need. Okay, so foundation is on. We're about to go do my clusters in my room though, in my office, sorry. The lighting is better. I just realized I can't find my lip balm. It's right here. Chestnut from MAC. Anyways, yeah, gonna grab my little mirror here, and then we're gonna head over to my office and get it done there. I messed up because I wanted to do, one second. Yeah, so basically initially I wanted to do my hair first and then my makeup, because I wanted it to, one second, just need to wipe my hair. I needed it to, I guess, lay down, because I'm gonna do a half up, half down. Anyways, it's my to-go hairstyle. Nothing is in front of my face, and it's a style that stays the whole weekend. The fact that I need my hair to stay the whole weekend, it just works, because the next day I'm going on a boat. Who wants to have string hair in this weather? Not me. So my eyes is looking a little bit. Un momento, por favor. Is there a card in there? No. I might have to go get paper because literally took probably 5 minutes. You guys will probably see it in 2 seconds, but it literally took me 5 minutes. I didn't need it too long, too thick, or too full. That's what. Oh. So I got a phone call. Did my setting powder off camera. Now I'm going to spray. I'm just looking to see if I'm missing anything. Let me just put this first, so I can already. My lip gloss is in my purse. Ow. I need to. Lip gloss is in my purse, but I know I have one here. I have one here. I'm not doing any lip combo today. Just, oh, let me put the spray first. thought I was gonna sneeze. Oy. One more. I don't know if it's healthy to smell this. I don't know. Nothing is healthy for you these days, so won't be surprised. Okay, yeah, I'm not doing any other couple, but I am gonna bring this just in case for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a couple. So onto the hair, guys, and this one is gonna be a quick one. Just putting the rest because I saw some. So yeah, onto the hair. This one is gonna be quick. I need to pack this. Let me just. This one is gonna be quick, guys, parce que I just realized it's 12:20, and I'm getting picked up at 1:30. So as soon as she tells me she's on her way, she's 20 minutes away from me. So déjà là. And my bestie drives super fast. So, oh, did I not grab this? So I don't think I'll be able to do this one on camera because I need to focus. I just need to focus. It's just better. The hair is not straightened, by the way. It's just blow dried because this heat will be killing you. So let me just focus off camera for this one. And then yeah, I need to do this quick. So, yeah, off camera.
Tell me what you see. Is it money or it's me? I smoke 20, smell I got honeys in my V. Like Monty.
Okay, all done. So I'm gonna put this so I don't sweat while getting ready. Okay, les amis, we're gonna put it tight enough. You know what, my hair's so big, it's gonna be like this. Already stretching enough. Oh, there's a hair that is tangled. My bestie texted me saying that she's on her way. She's on her way. Ah, I got it. So then I have about 20 minutes to get ready. And then I'm gonna put this around it. Okay. See, when you think you have all the time in the world to get ready, and then you don't. Yeah, I'm gonna put like this. It's not gonna damage the curls. Don't worry, guys. Then I close my irons because my flat iron and my curl iron, because I'm gonna take the last heat because I need to pack this in my bag because I'm leaving with it for tomorrow for the boat day. So I need to finish putting all of great. Putting all of this in there. Let me rinse this and then get ready. What's nice because I am going to a pool party and then a beach day, a boat day tomorrow. So the packing is my packing. Oh my god. Can't speak. Let me put this in there. Got to need this. Is that you do not need to pack extra clothing because, well, it's bathing suit on bathing suits, right? So you don't need much stuff. So I'm very happy about that. I literally had to pack, well, I'm leaving in a bathing suit, and then coming back in a bathing suit. So you've seen the hair. I still need to put my jewelry. Okay, you know what? I'll come back when I'm like cute and ready. There you have it, guys. One second, I gotta fix the boobies. But this is the pool party fits. Do you like? Do you like? Oh, comme ça. Chérie, I'm recording. Ah! This is it.
C'est bon, non?
C'est cute, hein? Je suis cute, hein? Oh.
Et moi aussi.
Yeah. I think it's short and long?
Yeah.
Yes. Almost. Come on. Made it. So I think from here on out, because of the music and I don't want to be copyright, I am going to put a nice montage and the cute little things. So yeah, fast forward.
pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. Just do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now. Lick it.
C'était pas là-bas. Ok, vous prenez des shots.
C'est Jimmy. Jimmy from?
Oh, Tipsy Tommy.
That's it. Tipsy Entertainment. Go Jimmy. What? Oh, okay. What? Keep it PG though.
That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
That's Jimmy, guys.
And I'm Carmen. Don't you forget it, okay? Put some respect on it.
nigga Jimmy.
Tommy? Tommy. Wow, Tommy.
Jordan, wait.
Part 2.
Hi, we're having private conversations right now.
Yo.
Le téléphone est beau, hein?
Am I the only one who gets anxiety with you guys hopping these? Whoa, j'aime pas ça. Oh my god, it's shaking. It's shaking. Jésus. Jésus. I like to wait when everybody's gone and then I go on it. Okay. I don't think I'll be able to do this at the same time. I need full concentration. Yeah, pimple is still there. Shh. C'est parce que... Attends, hein?
Il t'attend de rentrer le C12, tu vois?
Made it on the boat.
Ah, ok.
Parce que... Le stress.
On va pas laisser l'entrée chez inquiétez-vous pas.
Comment il fait ça? Il va
Stinky
l'attacher
facing.
à ça?
Non, elle va le suivre, c'est conduire. Elle avait des bateaux, elle aussi.
T'en as la preuve formelle.
Elle s'appelle Andy, fille de la nuit, elle a un mec qui vit sur Saint-Denis. J'ai pas fini, je les ai vus ensemble mardi. Et je suis sûre que là tout de suite il est avec elle. J'ai même l'adresse de l'hôtel.
J'étais à côté de la plaque, je croyais que ton mec était intact, moi. Pas de trucs bizarres, pas de plan de drague, pas de pétasse. Je croyais que ton mec était à part, qu'il parlait mal à part. Te prends ton sac, l'adresse de leur encart. Viens, on va les voir, viens. Calme-toi, vie, ça va aller.
Je peux pas, tu sais j'ai peur moi.
Garde-toi là, vas-y, garde-toi.
Je sais pas si j'assume de le voir avec elle.
Ok, reste discrète, donne-moi le cric, la bombe lacrymogène, vite. Donne-moi une clé, donne-moi sa plaque, que je la raye, sa BM, que je la crève, sa BM, que je la saigne comme il te blesse, sa BM. Si tu savais comme j'ai la haine.
Je ne peux pas, tu sais j'ai peur moi.
Sors de la voiture, viens.
Je ne sais pas si j'assume de le voir avec elle.
J'ai demandé, c'est la chambre 203.
Que je veux pas,
Ici, on va monter les
je n'y
murs.
arriverai pas.
Ok, c'est au deuxième étage.
Je ne sais pas si j'assume de le voir avec elle.
Vas-y, tape.
Ouais, 2 secondes, j'arrive.
Mais qu'est-ce que tu fous là? Je te croyais chez ton père, mais tu te fous de moi. J'ai toujours été droite et je vivais pour toi. J'avais confiance en toi, je pouvais crever pour toi. Et toi, ton Dieu de cette chienne.
Calme-toi, chérie, calme-toi.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe, bébé? Mais qui c'est?
Mais ferme ta gueule, toi. Et si tu veux parler, s'il te plaît, rapide-toi, hein. Franchement, t'as pas d'honneur, t'as pas honte de toi. Prends ton string et casse-toi. Les filles comme toi ne méritent pas plus qu'un petit bout de toi. Mais ferme ta gueule, mon sire, regarde-toi.
Ton cassé, tout ça. Tu fais le miskin, mais tu viens de briser mon ami. Oh!
T'es pas un homme, t'es qu'une victime. T'as un problème avec ton slip ou quoi? Putain, vas-y vite, là, casse d'ici.
J'ai peur, moi. Je sais c'est bien, mais son grave, c'est même chante de son droit, putain. Putain, on a de bonnes putain, garde de son froid, ce bâtard, mais ils sont. Ouais, la vie est une garce, quand t'as décidé le droit. Fallait peut-être que je passe par un retour, la case des pas. Regarde-moi, après les drames que j'ai vécu, j'y croyais plus, et puis là, mon métro me dessus. Je vivais trop dans l'absolu, j'y croyais pas, j'étais la femme la plus confuse de ma vie, mon ex était calme, je le croyais dans l'essentiel. Crois-moi, tu sais que c'est que de se sentir trahi. Quand ton mari a sauté toutes les michetonnaises de Paris. Regarde-moi aujourd'hui, j'ai presque la balle.
Nigga is cool though. Said that you was working, but you out here chasing culo and putas, chillin' poolside, living true lies. I could've did what you did to me to you a few times, but if I did decide to slide, find a nigga, fuck him, suck his dick, put up and piss. If that's not my MO, I'm not that type of bitch. The karma for you is gonna be who you end up with. Don't make me sick, nigga. I adore. I gave you everything, what's mine is yours. I want you to live your life, of course, but I hope you get what you're dying for. Be careful with me. Do you?
L'Olympique, il y a un truc